Hey everyone, Dr. Remy here from Pain Free and Fit and Posturesize. I'm here today with my old friend Jerry from Rising Tide Organic Foods Natural Market and guru of track coaches. We're going to be going over a great exercise for the hips, the lower back, and the legs called the Bulgarian split squat. So the Bulgarian split squat is great for training tendencies to anterior pelvic tilt. We want to make sure that we have our leg straight back from our hip. Jerry, we want you to turn your heel in just a little bit. And we want to make sure that the feet are equal distance so that the feet and the knees are straight under the hips. As Jerry starts, he's going to engage all his postural corrections of any rib cage or pelvic alignment. Besides anterior pelvic tilting, this is a great exercise to train hip hiking correction. Jerry on the left side enjoys hip hiking. We want to make sure he avoids that with this exercise. The tail is kept under, and we're going to slowly descend straight down. As we do this, he's emphasizing the tail under motion to prevent an arching of the back, and he's also emphasizing swinging his lead side, in this case his left side, his hip down, so his hips remain level, and one side, which is typically the lead side, doesn't have a tendency to come up. We also want to avoid his rib cage leaning into that lead side. And if you're doing this yourself, you can take your own fingers under your ribs and hips to check that alignment so you're not tilting sideways. We're breathing in as we descend, breathing out as we come up. Now the other correction, this is great for training, is kneecap lateral tracking. So we want to make sure the kneecap is directly over his foot and between his ankle and his hip. If we feel the front of that kneecap, we don't want to feel any excess sideways motion. If we do, he needs to tense that kneecap inwards. You'll notice his movement, as opposed to a squat, is straight up and down in a split squat or Bulgarian lunge. He doesn't have any forward pitch. He's keeping his ear, shoulder, and hip aligned and avoiding his knee moving forward on the toe. Great exercise to train the hips, the thighs. It's stretching the front of his back thigh, his rectus femoris, which is usually tight with anterior pelvic tilt postures where the pubic bone is typically lower than the tailbone. Great corrective exercise and lower body fitness exercise. Bulgarian split squat. Enjoy.